subscribers, welcome to yet another video of Kritika's Vision. This video is all about a period of transition, class 8 chapter, and we are today discussing the Industrial Revolution, how it started, why it started in England, and its consequences. So to start with, during the early 15th century, the most important trade route between Europe and Asia was an overland route that passed through Western Asia. Now what happened that the trade with Asia was very profitable for the Europeans, so they wanted to continue it for spices and for textile. However, after Constantinople was conquered by the Ottoman Turks, the overland route was no longer available for trade for the Europeans. So a new route has to be discovered. This led to the race among the Europeans to find new sea routes. Many European rulers financed expeditions to discover new routes to the east. Now, the tremendous growth in geographical knowledge and the inventions of new scientific achievement gave a flip to the exploration. This led to the discovery of new places. So while we have Bartolomeo Diaz, who reached southernmost tip of Africa, Vasco da Gama followed the same, and he reached Vasco da Gama, who followed the route of him, and he reached India. Christopher Columbus, who went to discover a sea route to Asia but discovered America instead. So this led to discovery of new places. Now the colonist merchants who had sent sailors for voyages, when found new places, they started thinking of selling their goods in those markets. Okay. Now, however, the domestic mode of production wouldn't have been sufficient, so they developed a new system of production. So previously it was domestic mode of production which used to be carried out in the houses. Now a new mode of production came into picture. Now, in this mode of production was known as factory mode of production, where rich merchants set up their factories, they installed machineries, big machineries, brought new raw materials from the market and employ workers on wages to produce goods on machines. Now, further, this development is known as Industrial Revolution. So there was a change in how production was done in household with simple tools by the household members, to factories where wage laborers were employed. Now this change, this major radical change, is known as the Industrial Revolution. Yes, the shift from domestic mode of production to the industrial, to the factory mode of production, where factories became the hub of production and in large quantities things were manufactured, is known as Industrial Revolution. This swept Europe, and it became a very important revolution in Europe, which brought far more changes that we'll discuss in the next lecture series, where we'll discuss consequence of Industrial Revolution. Till then, take care from Kritika's Vision. Do subscribe.